Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to recover your online banking account of TD Bank. So there are various methods of recovering your account, so I'll be showing you one of the easiest method of how to recover your online banking account. So then make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link, that is www.td.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, on the other page you will be directed into official site. So over here in the right hand side corner you can see online banking, and under it you can see login option. Simply tap on it. Next, you will be directed into login page, and over here you can see that without entering your following information, that includes a username and your password, you'll not be able to log in. In case you are confused regarding your login details, so then tap on forgot username and password, which is right at the bottom. Next page you'll be directed into help center, so over here you'll have to select your issue. In case you're not able to log in because of your username, so then tap on username, or because of your password, so then tap on password, which is right in center. In case both your information is incorrect, so then tap on username and password. Next page you'll have to verify your identity, so then you'll have to enter your following information, that is your social security number and your account type. So first of all, make sure to enter the correct social security number that is linked with your TD Bank account. And once you're done entering your social security number, next you'll have to select your account type. As you tap on it, there's a pop-up, so from here you'll have to select your account type, and after that you'll have to enter your card number, so make sure to enter the correct card number. And once you're done entering your card number, tap on continue in the bottom right corner. As you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to reset your new login information. And once you reset your new login information, once again you'll have to go back to your login page and then log in with the newly created login information, and you'll successfully land inside your online banking account of TD Bank. So that is how you can recover your online banking account. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.